Well, the mega event in the startup space for the week that has gone by has been the Digital India Week 2022, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Gandhinagar on Monday with the theme Catalyzing New India's Decade. The PM launched several initiatives on the occasion. These include Digital India Bhashini, which will enable easy access to the internet and digital services in Indian languages, including voice-based access and help in the creation of content in Indian languages. Another initiative is Digital India Genesis, which is a national deep tech startup platform to produce successful startups in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities in the country. A total outlay of 750 crore rupees has been made for the scheme, and there were other initiatives as well, such as India Stack.Global, My Scheme, Meri Pehchan, and the C2S program, which is part of the semiconductor mission to make India a global semiconductor manufacturing hub. Now, to talk about the significance of Digital India Week and its impact, we're joined tonight by Abhishek Singh, President and CEO, National E-Governance Division, or the NEGD. And we also have Lakshmi with us, co-founder of Prophase, which is a cloud-native security solutions provider. It is the first company around the globe to launch pure Kubernetes-driven SDWAF, that's WAF. She was representing her company, in fact, at Digital India Week Expo as well. Tell us how your participation in Digital India Week came about, and what have you and your enterprise gained from the experience? Could you unmute, Lakshmi?
Sorry,
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, welcome. So basically, we were invited for the Digital India Innovation Week by Data Security Council of India, and everything was organized by the MeetY organization. And so the entire stalls and all the setups were done by MeetY, and we were privileged to have this opportunity to showcase our cybersecurity startup along with the other cybersecurity startups of CRAC and certain and other innovative startups of the country.
Okay. Well, Abhishek, all the initiatives that the PM launched are aimed at improving, the access of digital services to all segments of society. They also offer platforms developed in India to the world. UPI has been adopted by 3 countries so far. Talks are on with 30 more. How much of a buzz has been created worldwide about these Indian offerings, the transformations going on in India powered by its digital prowess through Digital India Week?
See, for the last several months, whether it's the World Bank, whether the ADB, the ITU, the UNDP, all of them have been asking India to contribute to the global public digital goods repository. We are part of the global GovStack, which has been set up by a few countries, and the ITU is anchoring it along with UNDP. And there has been a great demand for Indian digital solutions, especially in the digital governance space, that can be replicated elsewhere. So, based on that, it was thought that why don't we bring all our solutions on one platform? Because right now, if we had to go for to learn about UPI, one would have to go to the NPCI website for Aadhaar, one would go to the UID website for DigiLocker, our own eSanjeevani, Diksha. So all these solutions, it was thought that to bring them together on one platform and to allow any other country who is interested in them, learn about them, access the code that India has put on the open source, on the GitHub repository or our open source repository, use them, get connected to the practitioners and people who have implemented the project, learn from them and adopt them. And this was the intent for creating this whole portal, India Stack.Global, and it's a portal which is not only available in English, but right now it's available in English and French also, and in the next few months it will be available in all UN languages. Great. So we are seeing a great interest in our digital solutions from countries not only countries in Asia and Africa and Latin America, but even the advanced countries in Europe and the United States and the West. They are also looking at learning from Indian solutions, and that opens a great opportunity for us as a nation for offering them to these countries. We also open opportunities for startups and companies who have worked with the government in developing all these solutions.
Right. Now, Lakshmi, I believe Prophase has global clients, and you would be having regular interactions with people of different nationalities related to your business as well. Now, how do they see the digital transformation that is unfolding in India, where it is now also moving from being a chip taker to a chip maker, like the PM said?
Yes, so basically India was dependent on the foreign companies for data security, And now it is high time that we build indigenous solutions, because India is native to 1.39 billion people. It's got its population. So all of this data is on the internet, and the main agenda is to make internet a safer place to be. So PM is now actually trying to connect all the rural segment of India through safe and secure internet, and for that data security becomes an imperative part. So that is where role of companies like Proface, as a cybersecurity product company, comes into picture. And we usually used to depend on the international companies. And why would we do that? Because we have a lot of data, and this cannot be we cannot trust it with the international organizations. Okay. And we need indigenous solutions for that.
Right. And Abhishek, India's startup ecosystem is diverse, vibrant and growing rapidly. We've got the world's second largest population with no dearth of problems to solve using technology and innovation. Now, do events like Digital India Week also help sharpen the focus of the ecosystem in terms of what it should be looking to work upon in a prioritized manner?
See, it does, because look at the Indian startup story, like more than 73,000 startups, registered startups on DPIIT, 103 unicorns, and all of them creating a lot of value for the country, the trust that the whole world sees in it, and also resulting in creating of jobs. In fact, even in the exhibition, we had almost 20 unicorns who had come there. Around 10 of them had set up even stalls. And then on the second day of the Digital India Week, on the 5th, it was devoted to the startups, to the issues the startups are facing. Okay. So all aspects with regard to, and the conference did not only deliberate on the success stories, but it also addressed the issues and challenges that startups are facing, how to ensure that from ideation stage to seed stage to prototype stage to equity stage, how do we ensure funding at all stages for startups? The MeitY also launched the Genesis program, which also brings together the umbrella of schemes that were being implemented onto one platform, and to ensure that support is provided to the startups at every stage, right from the seed stage to when they become mature.
Right.
And there also, the focus was on providing financial support as also mentorship support, and exposing them to government orders and making them part of our procurement processes. Right. So all this brought a lot of focus to the startups in the Digital India Week.
Certainly, and I hope that this work continues, and the next Digital India Week that we have is even more successful than this one. It is still ongoing, and thanks a lot for joining us during your busy schedule, Abhishek, and also you, Lakshmi, for joining us. Thank you.
सब वेबसाइट्स और सारे गवर्नमेंट्स को हम वेब एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी देते हैं।
कहाँ पे अभी आप दे रहे हैं आपका क्लाइंटेल या कमर्शियली?
हमारा क्लाइंटेल ग्लोबल है, तो हमारा क्लाइंटेल यूएस, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अफ्रीका और न्यूजीलैंड सारी जगह से हैं, और इंडिया में हम बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट्स के साथ भी काम करते हैं।
तो डिजिटल इंडिया वीक 2022 के डिजिटल मेले से फिलहाल इतना ही। आपने देखा कि किस तरीके से डिजिटल इंडिया के सभी योद्धा एक ही छत के नीचे यहां पर मौजूद हैं, चाहे बात हो स्टार्टअप्स की, चाहे बात हो इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज की, या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स जो अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बेहतरीन योगदान दे रहे हैं, डिजिटल इंडिया के सपने को साकार कर रहे हैं। मेरे सहयोगी लक्ष्मण राजपूत के साथ मुझे दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार।